Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfume at home. This is a simple, beginner-friendly formula that incorporates some dried botanicals along with 5 other ingredients. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process and how I make this. To start making this perfume, I'm first going to go ahead and create what's known as a base. And for the base, I am using an ingredient called perfumer's alcohol. Now this is 200 proof. It has been denatured. And so what that means is an ingredient called bitrix has been added to it, making this alcohol undrinkable. And what perfumer's alcohol will do is it will help to lift and carry the scent that I'm going to go ahead and incorporate into this formula, and it's also going to act as a solvent as well as it's going to help to preserve and keep any bacteria or mold or fungi from growing in this formula. Not only that, but it's going to be very short-lived. So when you spray it on your skin, you won't be left with a strong alcohol smell because it will evaporate very quickly. Instead, you'll be left with a lovely fragrance. Now that I have my base, I'm going to go ahead and create my fragrance blend. And I am starting with the bottom notes first. That's going to really be the anchor of this perfume. And the reason for adding the bottom notes first is because you don't want to overpower the lighter notes. And so the one that I am using today is vanilla fragrance oil. The second bottom note that I am using is called Pacific Sandalwood Essential Oil. Now this has a very buttery and rich scent to it, and when it's used in conjunction with the vanilla, they are very complementary and have a wonderful scent. Lavender essential oil is going to serve as the middle note in this perfume. It has a very floral but yet slightly minty undertone to it. For the top note, I am using bergamot essential oil. Now this has a very unique scent profile. It is uplifting. It has a very sweet and citrusy scent, but yet it has a lot of floral and earthy undertones to it as well. And it's great for boosting the mood. Once I've added the bergamot, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir all of these ingredients together. This is going to help to begin the process of emerging all the different scents together. Now, before you can wear this, you need to allow this to sit and macerate for about 2 weeks. This next step is completely optional, but I'm going to go ahead and add some dried lavender buds to my perfume bottle. This is not only going to make it more appealing to the eye, but it's also going to add a subtle lavender aroma to the perfume. And I probably should explain what maceration means to those that aren't familiar with the term. And that simply means that you're allowing it to mature and infuse. After adding the dried lavender buds, I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of the ingredients into my perfume bottle. Now I know it's very tempting to use this perfume right away, but again, allowing this to sit really is going to give the perfume a lot of time to really develop the scent, and it's going to be stronger because you did so. This formula makes approximately 15 milliliters of perfume. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and take the perfume that I just made and I'm going to apply it to my inner wrist. Now, once applied, I'm just going to take that same wrist and rub it together with my other wrist. And this is how I like to wear my perfume. And again, this was a very simple formula to make. As far as substitutions go, here's what I have for you today. For the perfumer's alcohol, use 190 proof Everclear. Instead of the vanilla fragrance oil, you can use either benzoin, which is a resin, or vanilla bean infused oil. For essential oils, some good options that I have used in the past are geranium, lemon, and amber essential oils. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.